Hey guys, this is Michael Clanahan with LinkedAll Aero Solutions. We're out here today with the M300 RTK and we're testing out the new AI spot check feature with the M300. First of all, turn on your controller, make sure your H20T is connected and your smart controller is connected. You'll go into the Pilot app, and once you're into the Pilot app, you will click on Mission Flight. And once you're in Mission Flight, you will click on Create a Route, and then select Waypoint, and then select Live Mission Record.
RTK signal weak, planning flight accuracy decrease.
It will actually tell you that it has RTK signal loss. Unless you actually have a base station, you still keep that in mind. So now what you will do is you will actually will take off right now and actually start setting our waypoints. So right now we will take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check back the map.
So now I'm setting my first actual waypoint. You go in there using your H20 and actually set that sensor.
At waypoint.
So I've set a first waypoint. Now we'll go to the second waypoint and set that. And keep in mind also, while you're doing this, you can change elevation and also change where you're taking pictures and so forth.
At a waypoint.
There's my second waypoint. And that's my third waypoint. At this point, you will come back to your takeoff point and land. So now that I've landed, you can back out of this and save your mission. And then at this point, you can go back into your mission. You can adjust its name. You can adjust the waypoints or anything that you may need. So now we will actually go into the mission itself. You will press the play button and it will do the upload. You can also set your, so if you do have an emergency during that area, it will return to home. You can also adjust that too. So I will press start.
Aircraft heading to the start point. Home point has been updated. Check it out.
So now it is conducting its mission. You still need to be aware of all of your surroundings and so forth as it's taking the mission. And it will take the path of least resistance to each waypoint. And you also want to keep in mind that as it's doing this, you can make sure that it's flying properly and so forth. You can add up to 65,000 waypoints, actually over 65,000 waypoints for each mission. And then once it's completed, it will actually automatically return to home for you. So now it's returning home for me and it will be landing. And you will continuously be able to access these waypoints on a regular basis.
Landing.
Okay, now my aircraft has landed. And you can actually back out to your main waypoint, and you can continue it. Like I said, you can continue to add waypoints and so forth for this. Once again, this is Michael Clanahan with LinkedAll Aero Solutions. Thank you for taking the time to come out with us with the 300 and the AI spot check feature.